We have all experienced a high-touch retail experience where you've interacted with someone who has a level of subject matter expertise. But that is simply not a scalable format, right? If you look at most of the big box retailers, they're within 9 minutes of every person in the United States. This is amazing, but it's not amazing if you can't have a great experience. There's a ton of veracity around AI, but how are you actually interfacing with it?
Proto is the world's premier wearable-free spatial compute platform.
Using our holographic platform, we're able to deliver messages and value props for various vendors, logos, products, avatars, or real human beings being beamed in a way that is hyper-realistic.
Imagine being able to engage fluidly, without friction, like you would with a normal human.
We're at this incredible inflection point as a startup where we moved from doing sort of activations to selling 1 or 2 units to being in innovation labs. Now we're getting and hearing the demand. We'd like to move out to scale.
Proto's collaboration with AWS is a unique example of the old adage, better together. Given Proto's unique spatial compute platform, coupled with AWS's unique suite of offerings, AI products, including Bedrock, we're able to orchestrate solutions that are both innovative and effective for all sorts of customers.
This is the kind of platform and relationship that people dream of. What's fantastic about it is how receptive they are to learning what we do, how we do it differently. How do we drive traffic? How do we capture data? How do we change the retail experience?
Spatial compute is not just about holography or interaction with artificial intelligence for AI's sake. Everything we do at Proto is underscored by a sense of presence to bring emotionality and connection, and we're excited to bring it to the mainstay.